Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. So in this video we will see how to install Skype in Windows 11 operating system. So let's start. Open your favorite browser and search for Skype. Then hit enter. Now you will see the official website for the Skype. So let's click on that. Now here we have the download button. Click on download button to download it. Then we are downloading it for the Windows 11 operating system. So click on this download button, then just accept it. Then here you will get the download option. Directly you can download it from there. So my downloading is started. Let's wait till download complete, then we will install it. So we have downloaded it. Let's install it. For that, open it into folder. Now it is an exe file, so double click on that. Now just click on yes to allow download. Just let's minimize it first. Now here click on install button to install. So it will start installing in your system. So we have downloaded it successfully. You can see the desktop icon here and the application is open now. So now you can just add your name and photo here. So I'm just clicking not now. Just click this. So in this way you can download and install Skype in Windows 11 operating system.